Welcome to a special edition of our Gold Mining Expert Signal Spotlight. Today, we're cutting through the usual algorithmic trading marketing hype, and we're zeroing in purely on the objective data.
Absolutely. Our focus today is on a very specific live system, account 37317064, better known as the GoldMining Elite Multi-Major Signal Series. Over the next few minutes, we're going to completely unpack its architecture, its yield, and its true risk profile. Let's get right into it.
You know, transparency really has to be the bedrock of any serious financial analysis. That's why we're analyzing a live, completely public MetaTrader 5 trading journal today. By focusing on live data instead of hypothetical backtests, we actually get to see exactly how this system handles real-world market volatility.
And before we even break down the performance metrics, we're putting the verification straight into your hands. If you scan the official QR code, you'll be taken instantly to the live RoboForex MetaTrader 5 signal page. You can independently verify every single statistic, equity curve, and trade history we're about to cover.
Section 1. Capital Structure and Setup. Looking at the foundation of this account, it kicked off with an initial deposit of roughly 25,000 cents. To put that into perspective, that's effectively $250. Operating this as a cent account was a very deliberate structural choice. It mathematically inflates the margin base, giving the algorithmic system the necessary breathing room to execute highly granular testing and micro positions that simply wouldn't survive on a standard $250 account.
Exactly, and having that expanded margin base is a real game changer. It allows the system to run a heavily diversified basket of currencies, specifically USDJPY, USDCHF, EURUSD, and USDCAD. By spreading the risk across these four major pairs, the algorithm dramatically reduces its dependence on any single currency's volatility. It essentially distributes the system's grid-style recovery mechanisms, the practice of opening layered positions to average out costs during market dips, across totally different market conditions.
Moving right along to Section 2, Growth and Performance Highlights.
The big headline number we're tracking here is a total gain of 69.84%. Now, based on the account's capital structure, that translates to an impressive gross profit of over 17.4K in cents. The balance curve has steadily climbed from that initial 25,000 cent level all the way up to roughly 42,468 cents.
And when we dive into the efficiency metrics, we get some really compelling context. We're seeing an 88.57% trading activity rate, which averages out to about 52 trades a week. It boasts a profit factor of 2.33, meaning for every unit of currency lost, it generates 2.33 units in profit. Plus, the recovery factor is sitting strong at 7.63, which mathematically proves its capacity to bounce back from historical drawdowns.
Now for the absolutely critical part. Section 3, Analyzing Risk and Drawdown.
Right now, the current visible drawdown is hovering around a very stable 6.5%. However, it is crucial to note that the historical maximum drawdown hit 39.27% back in late March and early April. For any quantitative analyst examining an active grid-style recovery system, this kind of metric is entirely consistent with its programming. The system is designed to intentionally absorb market oscillations until that diversified basket reaches a net profit, and we can see that working flawlessly as the equity line subsequently pushed to new highs.
Let's transition over to Section 4, How to Copy Instantly.
Getting connected to this signal is a really straightforward process, but you do need to be precise. Step 1, simply scan the official QR code. Step 2, log into your RoboForex account. Step 3, navigate over to the signal page and hit copy. But step 4 is absolutely critical. You must select proportional copy mode. This is the only way to ensure the lot sizing on your account perfectly mirrors the specific risk management and recovery structure of the master EA, scaling flawlessly to whatever your current equity balance happens to be.
We've brought the QR code back up for direct access. Alternatively, you can head straight to the RoboForex copy trading portal for account 373117764 using the link provided to review all the specific performance metrics for yourself. Ultimately, everything we've reviewed today is grounded in a transparent, public trading journal. Real algorithmic trading mathematically involves both drawdown periods and recovery periods. Long-term consistency and transparent exposure management, those are the real metrics that matter.
So we'll leave you with this question to ponder about your own portfolio. Does your approach actually account for the statistical realities of drawdown, Or are you still relying on the unrealistic expectation of zero-risk growth? This has been another Gold Mining Expert Signal Spotlight. Trade smart, manage risk, respect the process.